See him doing his digging in his back, motion shuffling. He was even doing it more vigorously. See, they can do that like a chicken. See that sending stuff backwards that he's doing? Because some of the seeds have fallen deeper into the snow. No other bird can do that, or does do that. I've seen chickens do that. They reach their legs forward, then they scratch. They have nails, and they have in the front and back of the long foot like a snow shoe, long, and they scratch. And that's how chickens do it, but I don't see any other bird doing it of the ones that come here. The nuthatch, the tuft titmouse, or the chickadee, none of them do. You see these guys really see some of the sunflower seeds, which is what they're looking for. I cast there and they sink down, some of them, and they have to go get them. But they're charming little birds. And normally during the good weather, these birds come and they're kind of shooed away, although they're not cowards. But the other birds dominate. You almost never see these guys in the good weather. Maybe they're out in the grass or trees or whatever they do to get their food. They don't need it, but anyway, I'm just showing that shuffle that they do. They're a wonderful little bird. They're plain gray, and their breast is white, little yellow beak. And but I like these birds, and I'm happy to throw the seeds out for them. All right, that's enough.